Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's James Marlay. Today I'm joined by Alex Shevelev and Ben Rundle. We are talking telco stocks. There's been consolidation at the top end of town, but there's a few little tiddlers still scrambling their way up the ASX. Ben, I'll start with you. Vocus, it's been a big player, bit of pressure lately. Buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, I think Vocus is a buy at the moment. The market's pricing in a significant level of earnings deterioration for where it's at the moment. I think the next gen acquisition added a significant pillar for them for the next stage of growth, and none of that's being priced in terms of the synergies of putting those businesses together. So, you know, the risks are certainly heightened, but I think it's a buy at the moment.
It's a buy. Alex, buy, hold or sell on Vocus?
It's a hold for us, and I think on that one, you've seen a lot around NBN, you've seen a lot of noise around board over the last little while, and it's something that, despite having come down quite significantly in the last little while, is still at decent multiples, so it's still a hold.
Okay. MNF Group, voice over IP, buy, hold or sell?
Again, it's a hold for us, and the multiple, despite the earnings growth, is actually quite elevated at the moment. So we look for it to retrace and then perhaps have another look at it then.
MNF Group, is it one that you like, Ben?
Yeah, I think it's a strong buy, actually. I think it's one of the highest quality small cap companies listed on the ASX. They're looking for 25% EBITDA growth into 17. That's purely organic, takes into account nothing for acquisitions, nothing for synergies of recent acquisitions. They expense all of their R&D, and that expense has gone up as well. So yeah, can you tell we own it? It's a buy.
We'll stay with you while we're on a bull run. Macquarie Telecoms, buy, hold or sell?
I think that one's a buy too. The stock has re-rated. They recently signed a Fortune 100 customer, so the 17 numbers will look a bit messy, but certainly if you look out a couple of years, CapEx will come down, depreciation will come down, you'll see some margin expansion, and they're still trading at a reasonable discount to next DC, so it's a buy.
Okay, there is a good precedent in the market. Buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, I think that one's a buy as well. And we've seen the ability there to generate free cash flow quite significant, and we've seen the ability also to ramp up margins over the next couple of years, and a lot of that's due to utilisation improving in that business.
Okay, the pipe networks of Asia, we'll call it Superloop, buy, hold or sell?
It's a hold for us, actually, and despite the Big Air acquisition where we were shareholders, it's one also has very high incremental returns on the capital, and that's good, but it's a matter of the price that you're paying for it. So for us, it's a hold.
Had a good listing, buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, I have to agree. I think it's a hold as well. I mean, if you're going to back anyone in this space, Bevan Slattery is the man to do it. I don't know what they're doing with that Big Air acquisition. That confused me a bit. It's extremely expensive. Maybe he can get it done, but not at this price, so it's a hold.
Okay. Going big scale telecoms and satellites, we're going to talk about Speedcast, buy, hold or sell?
Speedcast thinks look right. I think it's a buy. They've spent the last 12 months making a couple of acquisitions, so I think you'll get a decent run in earnings going into calendar year 17. So yeah, I think it looks okay. Buy.
Alex, bit of a unique operator, Speedcast, buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, I think it's a buy for us as well. And there's organic growth there, there's some acquisitive growth to be had, and a decent multiple. So buy.
Okay, well there you have it. It's not all done and dusted in the telco space.